I am Pauline, and today I'm going to show you how I cook my Jamaican rice and peas. It is flavorful, tasty, and easy to prepare. These are all my ingredients: thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, spring onion, and mixed pepper. Also, coconut milk, salt, pimento seed, all-purpose season, and black pepper. And this is my peas. I already washed it and soaked it in 3 cloves of garlic. I soak it because when you soak it, it gets more softer and easy to cook. And you can also soak it overnight as well. So now I'm going to put it on to cook, and then I'm going to add all my ingredients into it. At my time, I'm going to mash. Just give it a little mash. My spring onion. Then I'm going to add my mixed pepper. And then my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to put a little bit more water to that's enough to cook the peas, and then I'm going to add the spice. Add my coconut milk. I will use half of the can because I cannot use the whole can because the rice will get too soft because I'm not cooking a big pot of rice. But if I'm cooking a big pot of rice, I will use the whole can. I'm now going to check on my peas now. It should finish cooking. The water is reduced. It's cooked. I'm using some cold water to wash it. I will wash it until the water is clear. So my rice is washed I'm now going to add it to the peas. To add some more water to it. Enough water is not in it to cook it. Add in a little water from the kettle. I'm now going to cover it and let it steam. And then I'm going to turn it down on a lower flame. I'm now going to check on my rice to see if it's cooked. The rice is looking very pretty. You can have a look at it. It's cooked.